Alright, so today we're going to be fishing at Elm Lake. Let's do this. Here we go. We're driving on up to the deck. Oh. Alright, here we go. Alright, going on up to the deck. We're going into the water. The boat is fully submerged.
Not submerged.
In the lake. I know it's not submerged. It's just in the lake.
Out here when it's windy. Pelican.
It's a pelican. Bye-bye, deck. And hello, lake. Starting to go a little fast. Oh my gosh. Whew. Jeez. Now it's time to start fishing. On the line. Now let's see if I catch anything. Go watch part 2. I ran out of time.